Welcome to our channel. Using a virtual card at Trader Joe's requires understanding how to access your digital payment method in-store. Step 1. Ensure your virtual card is properly set up and stored in a mobile payment app like Apple Pay, Google Pay, or Samsung Pay. Step 2. Before shopping, open your mobile wallet app to verify your virtual card is active and has sufficient funds. Step 3. Check that your phone is charged and functioning properly, as you'll need it for payment. Step 4. Shop for your groceries throughout Trader Joe's, selecting all the items you want to purchase. Step 5. Proceed to the checkout counter when you're ready to pay and inform the cashier you'll be using mobile payment. Step 6. Wait for the cashier to finish scanning all your items and provide the total amount. Step 7. Look for the contactless payment terminal at the checkout. It typically displays symbols for mobile payment options. Step 8. Open your mobile wallet app and select your virtual card as the payment method. Step 9. Hold your phone near the contactless payment reader, usually within an inch or two. Step 10. Authenticate the payment using your phone's biometric security like fingerprint or face recognition, or enter your phone's passcode. Step 11. Wait for the payment confirmation on both your phone and the payment terminal. Step 12. Collect your receipt and purchases. Your virtual card payment is complete, and your Trader Joe's shopping is done. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.